The table lists the average weight of a Shetland pony depending upon the age of the pony. Part A says to plot a scatter diagram of the data treating weight as the independent variable. The graph here is a scatter diagram because all we did was treat these table values as ordered pairs. So we plotted points, which is a scatter diagram. Part B says what type of relation appears to exist between the age and the weight of the Shetland pony. Well, according to our scatter diagram, it appears that these points are approximately in a linear fashion. Part C says to select 2 points and find an equation of the line containing the points. If we select the points 695 and 18,170, we can use these 2 points to find the equation of a line that contains those 2 points. The first thing we need to do is calculate the slope. So the slope is going to be m is equal to 170 minus 95 divided by 18 minus 6. If I simplify this, I'm going to get 75 divided by 12, which is equal to 6.25. So the slope of the line that contains these 2 points is 6.25. Now, using the point slope formula and the first point here, I would obtain y minus 95 is equal to 6.25 times x minus 6. And now all I need to do is simplify this to obtain our equation. So let's simplify it. Let's distribute. Y minus 95 is equal to 6.25x minus 37.5. Let's add 95 to both sides. This will leave us with y is equal to 6.25x plus 57.5. And this is the linear equation that contains these 2 points and approximates the data that is in the scattered diagram. Part D says graph the line on the scattered diagram drawn in Part A. So if I draw the line, remember I used the point that was 695 and 18,170. So 695 is this point here, and 18,170 is right here. So if I draw a line connecting those 2 points, it would be that line right there. Part E says to predict the weight of a 9-month-old Shetland pony. To predict this weight, all we need to do is plug 9 in for our variable x. So y is equal to 6.25 times 9 plus 57.5. Simplifying this, I would get y is equal to 56.25 plus 57.5. And if I add those 2 numbers together, I get y is equal to 113.75. So what we just found is that a 9-month-old Shetland pony will have an approximate weight of 113.75 kilograms. Part F says to interpret the slope of the line found in Part C. Now recall that the slope that we found in Part C was 6.25. Now to interpret this, it just simply means that a Shetland pony's weight will increase by 6.25 kilograms for each 1-month increase in age.